Hi everyone, this is a quick and simple trade breakdown on S&P 500. So first, we mark out our liquidity points. Today is Wednesday. This is the high of the day of yesterday or Tuesday. So we mark that point out here. And then you also see this liquidity here, which is the high of the last 3 days. You can see it a bit more clearly on the higher time frames. So as we go into Asian session and go into London session, you see price pushes higher, small reaction at yesterday's high of the day, but then it continues to push higher overnight. And as we go into New York session, we see that it actually pins the high perfectly. So before it even breaches this high, again, later in the session, it pretty much taps the high, but barely takes this high out. So this high is 63.74 and this one is 63.74.25. So this is called engineering liquidity. So there's liquidity that rests above here, and some traders might put their stop losses above here. So we know that the price is actually going to target this high again. And the question is how it reacts to this high. If it goes to the high and then immediately closes back inside the range, it's likely that's going to be a reversal. So going into New York session again, it breaches the high and then it comes right back inside the range, right? So it was around this time that around 9:39:40 that the indicator started pinging. It's inside of our zone, it's calling short, and it was back inside the range at this point. So very easy trade. We just entered the trade on the sell, stop loss above here, and a very quick 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio was achieved. You could have also got a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, of course, depending on where you entered, but a very easy trade in and out within a few minutes. And that is a very quick and simple trade breakdown of S&P 500.